Got some earbuds. Let's go ahead and get this open. Now these are the Skullcandy Smokin Buds. They're pretty cheap. I picked them up from Best Buy for $125. So let's go ahead and take a look. See what comes in the packaging here. Open this up. Let's take this out and let us see what we have. Got a very short charging cable here. I think that's about as long as my hand. That's crazy. Let's put that off to the side. And here obviously are the earbuds. So let's go ahead and get this here open. Ta-da! Well, that's it. These are the earbuds that it comes with here. So I guess pretty standard here with a lot of these earbuds. These are actually the first pair of earbuds that I'm actually purchasing. Usually I purchase over-the-ear headphones, but I think these will be nice if you're going to the gym and such. So once they're unboxed, obviously, let's go ahead and remove this little tape here. And I think to charge them, yeah, all you really have to do is just have this lined up like so, like this. And yeah, all we need is the USB-C cable. I'm probably going to use a different one here. This one's just way too short for me. Plug these in and then you're good to go. Well, that is the quick unboxing here for these Skullcandy Smokin Buds. I'll go ahead and try these out at the gym and just use them in general, and then I'll do a quick review afterwards. But that pretty much is the unboxing for these Skullcandy Smokin Bud, I guess, earbuds.